Hey ambitious professionals, it's Linda Rayner of lindarayner.com, guiding you to a career and life you'll truly enjoy. Now, if you happen to be a recruiter, hiring manager, or HR professional, then you're in luck because this episode is actually the final of a 5-week ongoing series that I have been doing here on YouTube, where I've been sharing my best tips on how to recruit and find the best job candidates for your company. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you my 3 tips on how to close a good job candidate to ensure that they sign your job offer and that they start at your company. Ready to get the job you want? Top-notch interview is coming soon. For more info and free training, head to jointni.com. Now, as a career strategist, I've had the honor of being able to help numerous professionals land their dream job offers. And so if this is you, this is something that you're interested in working with me one-on-one, then I can give you details about that at the end of this video. So you've made it through the entire interview process with an amazing job candidate that you're ready to hire. And they passed every round with flying colors. Each staff member, each manager, and even your boss loves this person after having met with them. All of you are on board and you're ready to hire this person. So now all you have to do is just simply give them the job offer and they'll happily accept, right? Not so fast. Accepting a job offer is a major decision for job candidates who happen to also be top performers and strong, ambitious professionals. They have to know that the job that you're offering them is truly worth them leaving their current job and making the move to your organization. So here are my 3 tips on how to offer them the position in a way where they will happily accept and say yes. And not just say yes, but they will stay with your company for a long time. Tip number 1, when offering them the job, show genuine excitement to have them on the team. You can say something along the lines of, "After meeting with you, the team and I had discussions regarding your candidacy, and we've come to the decision that we'd love to have you join the team." Now, you don't necessarily need to explain in full detail why you're excited to have them join the team. As long as they know it, that's enough to make them feel special and potentially even also excited to want to join your organization. As humans, we all want to feel included. And so if you can make your offer that much more special by making your candidate feel special, that will increase the warm and fuzzies within them and increase their chances of accepting your job offer. Tip number 2, give them an offer that they can't refuse. And yes, I am talking about the money. To show how much you really want to hire someone, you've got to be able to show that you are willing to pay them what they're worth. Lowballing an exceptional candidate will only result in a fast and quick rejection from them. And then guess what? You'll have to go through the whole process of finding, interviewing, and hiring someone all over again. So make sure that the salary you're offering them, the bonus, the benefits are all in line with the market. And if it's possible within your budget, then give them even a tad extra so that it will make it super hard for them to refuse and say no. But don't go way over budget. You do want to leave some leg room in case my next tip happens. Tip number 3, be open to entertaining the candidate's attempt to negotiate. The job offer stage is really the only time in an individual's career where they're able to ask for a salary that they'll truly be happy with. You and I both know that once an individual is in a job, it's far more difficult for them to be able to negotiate larger raises. So if they attempt to negotiate with you, you should be open and almost expect that that's going to happen. Be open, be willing to listen, and from there make a decision based on their request whether you're going to meet it exactly or you're going to compromise in between. If you decide to meet the request, you've pretty much sealed the deal and you've got yourself a new employee. So there you have it, my 3 tips on how to close a good job candidate so that they accept your job offer. Now, if you are a job candidate and you've been looking for the last little while and you haven't been having much luck and you realize that that you need one-on-one professional guidance from me, then head on over to my website, lindarainer.com/standoutgethired, read through the page, fill in the application form, and from there, if it seems that we are a potential match, then one of my team members will be reaching out to you directly. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, share it with your friends. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Ready to get the job you want? Top-notch interview is coming soon. For more info and free training, head to jointni.com.